First of all, how to create an haptic style. Right click and create Abthoclo feedback haptic style. You can say demo style. The first variable that you see is the duration. That's the duration of the vibration. The second and the third options are the low and high frequency. This is visualized by an animation curve. When you click on this, you can adjust the curve. I made some presets, like for this example, for the second one, this. So if you go over them, you can actually see the total curve. This is what the low frequency will do in 0.5 seconds, and you can adjust this however you like. Our third option of our vibration style is to get a preview. Now this will not only give a preview of how it will be in the scene, but also this can be previewed on your Xbox controller, PlayStation controller, or Nintendo controller. Whatever is plugged in on your device, you can actually get a preview of that. Now, how do you call these styles? You can actually create a script. First of all, let's include our package, abthoclo.feedback.haptic. In the update, you could just type in haptic.vibrate. You can include different options. So you could technically call the vibration style by its name, by the vibration style itself, by just the low frequency and the high frequency, so manually input here, or the same thing, low frequency, high frequency, but with a duration. In this case, it will only be vibrating for that particular frame. Here you can actually control the duration of this kind of vibration. In our case, we will work with the vibration style. Let's call this haptic test for now. We will use this one to call our function. This is one way to do it. Like I mentioned, you could also say I want every frequency to be vibrating at this frame, or maybe for 0.5 seconds. That's also a possibility. You always have this last option to include what kind of controller ID you want to call this for. And the default one is always 0. Let's say you have multiple controllers. You could actually control up to 8 controllers at the same time. There's one other way to call the vibration style, and that's by creating a preset. Preset can be accessed on runtime by a string, so you don't have to have a direct reference to the style. Let's say demo presets, create our preset, include our demo style. Now we can call this style by its name. Instead of this, we can do demo style, and this will do the same thing without having a reference to the vibration style.